How's it going? What's up? What's happening there, blessed beautiful souls? Kiara DeCass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. Thanks for being here with me on the channel. I really do appreciate you all. Give me some knuckles, team. Boom, community. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, anyways, so interesting here in Joburg. You know, it's like chilly, but it's not cold. It's weird. And normally by this time it's a little bit cooler, but yeah, I guess, you know, I can wear t-shirts through the day, but in the evening, definitely getting nice and cold. In the mornings, freezing, early mornings freezing. So yeah, well, it's not freezing, it's just cold, really cold. But yeah, when you have cold showers, I have 2 cold showers a day and I get the blood going, whether it's cold or not, doesn't matter. I hang out there for at least a minute and a half, 2 minutes, and I just get the blood flowing. And yeah, I mean, I got home at 10 o'clock last night from the office, from doing videos for you guys. And basically, I got in the shower, cold shower, and it was so refreshing. So anyways, there's so many health benefits to it. Make sure that you get yourself at least 1 cold shower a day, especially if you're in the northern hemisphere right now and heading into summer, okay? Don't be afraid. There's more health benefits than the creepy standing in the cold water for a minute. Okay. Anyways, guys, thanks for being here on the channel. If you guys want to trade with me, make sure to hit my Bybit description link down below. That can get you a $30,000 deposit bonus when you use that link down there right now. Today, I thoroughly enjoy the community engaging. So the more my community engages, the better I can serve my community. So please make sure to hit that subscription bell and let's get this video to 10 likes. 10 likes, guys. Okay, let's do that fee, please, for the community. That would be really appreciated. I ask for nothing from you other than smashing the like button and subscriptions. And those are simple things for you to do, especially the amount of work that it takes me to do these videos for you. So today we're going to be speaking about a project that somebody in the community asked about, and well, let's go. And I just want to give you a disclaimer quickly. I am not invested in this project yet. However, I do know that it is an incredible ecosystem and that there is much potential. And looking at when I was doing the analysis and setting up for the video for you guys, I actually looked at it and it is amazing. And currently it has a buy signal at the time of recording this video, which is at 9:30 on the 11th of May. And yeah, that's going to be good. So I will launch this video for you for 6:30 my time. So it's a little bit of a delay for you guys, but it's still a good time to get in. We're still down at the bottom. So please make sure to smash the thumbs up for me on the video and the research. So today's project, we're going to be speaking about Ecomi or Omi. It's ranked 169th. You can't really see its logo. Its name is Ecomi and its ticker is Omi. It's currently sitting at 3061. It's up 3.9% for the day, and it is on 92,000 people's watch list, which is amazing. It has 170 million in market cap, so it's still very small right now. It's got 800,000 in trading volume, which is great. That's a good amount. And it has 750 billion coins in circulation, in max supply, and there's 275 billion in circulation already. So guys, you guys know that that's already like a 3x difference. So you don't want these coins to dump on your ass. And that's the thing about coins that have such high maximum supply and the circulating supply is low. You must be very cautious about these kinds of projects, but it doesn't mean that they won't do well. Okay, so let's go and have a look at this project and where it's been before and where we are today. So if you invested in Ecomi way down here when it was a very small market cap and you shot and you took some profits there, guys, you would be extremely well off right now in Ecomi. So basically we're at very similar levels, but we're not there because we're 18,000%. Interesting to see that this level is 18,000% above its all-time low. That's crazy, right? I mean, it doesn't even look like that much of a difference. So this is giving you some perspective to say, well, if that was 18,000, you know, what was this kind of gain in the market? So we'll go and have a look at it in a little while. Unfortunately, the charts that I have don't have the data. This project has been around since November 2019. Interesting, the C19 time. It was developed through C19. Interesting. So we're down 95% from the all-time high, 0.13 cents. So that's 0.13 cents. So we're far away from that. So essentially we're saying like this could hit a 50x minimum if it had to hit the previous all-time high. That's very interesting. 1 year is basically 64% down. You can go and get this coin on all of these exchanges. So, and on Binance. I do know you can get it on Binance as well. Let's go and have a look at the market cap, because the market cap is basically telling us where the, wow, market cap was 4.3 billion. Shit. Guys, 4.3 billion divided by 170 million. 25x minimum to that previous all-time high market cap. Okay, so that is very interesting. Now keep that in the back of your mind, because I'm actually going to show you the potential that this coin has on the chart. But let's go and see what Ecomi is. Ecomi is on Veve. So Veve is, I'm actually not sure what Veve is. I can't remember for now, but there you go. Veve is an app-based marketplace for premium licensed digital collectibles and comics. With Veve, users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles and comics, customize and showcase them in virtual showrooms, as well as buy, sell, or trade collectibles and comics with other Veve users from the palm of their hand. So guys, I'm going to say to you that this is actually very good, because you get printed comics that aren't the physical original comics that came out. Some of them are, but some of them aren't. And there's a interesting new store. I actually visited a comic store yesterday just by chance. It's one of the shops that I actually end up going to. And they had thousands of comics all over the floor. But these are newly printed comics that they're selling for a small premium. It's not massive. But if you basically take your comics, build collectibles, and customize a showcase in your own personal showroom, and you display these kinds of things, my goodness me, guys, you can do extremely and exceptionally well. It has a secure wallet. So with hundreds of millions of digital assets stolen each year, keeping your digital currencies and private keys safe is now more important than ever. The secure wallet employs leading security, which is combined with ultra probability in a world-first credit card-sized cold storage wallet. So that's the cold storage wallet. It looks like a bank card, right? Very, very interesting. So let's read this here. So Ecomi is a technology company based in Singapore, which aims to lead the way in the emerging digital collectibles space, as well as protection of digital assets. Ecomi offers a one-stop shop for digital collectibles and digital comics through the Veve app, bringing pop culture and entertainment into the 21st century. Ecomi sees digital collectibles as a new asset class which offers intellectual property owners the opportunity for new revenue streams in the digital landscape. Digital streaming, gaming, in-app purchasing has become a multi-billion-dollar market, and the next to join the digital trend is on the pop culture collectibles industry. I 100% agree with that, and that's why I do believe that this project will do very well. It has already previously done well. You can get some OMI on OKX, AscendX, Bitforex, Uniswap, Bitmart, OMI Token Tracker. This is the website, and it's on Medium, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So that's very interesting and lovely to see that. Let's go and have a look at the chart, guys. So what I did was I drew the chart in the immediate time frame. So very simple. You guys know what I do here. I put the bottom box from my 0 to 20 and the top box from my 80 to 100 levels, and that's where we either selling or buying. Okay, very simple rules, guys. Buy at the bottom, sell at the top. There's nothing more to it. So especially if you want to make more crypto and more money, that's what you have to do. So right now we've had a turn signal. The RSI has broken up, so we're heading for a bit of a buy, but there is a down sloping trend here that you can see. So maybe we might hit this level of resistance, which is resistance at this point, and here, which we actually fell down. We came up to it, pushed back down, and now we're going to probably try and get back up above it. And essentially what we're going to do is probably, if we break it, we'll probably break through this level, maybe hit the top of the level, retest the trend line, push back up, hit the next level, come back down, break up through this level, come back down, break through that level. If it actually plays out like that. So if you want me to draw that for you properly so that you can see. So breakout, retest, break up, retest. Even to this point, break up, retest, break up, test. So at that point, that's what could happen to it. And if we were to get in from this point, guys, we would probably have a 105% gain on Ecomi. Okay, now I want to go and show you something a little bit more serious. Okay, so that is the most major resistant level that we have in the near term. Okay, let's go and have a look at this project on the weekly time frame and see all the data that I have, because on the weekly, from where we are to the top here is a crazy. And look, the RSI wasn't even really doing much over here. So that's very interesting to see, because now we're at the bottom, the same levels that we were over there on the weekly time frame, and we're way oversold on the bottom. So it is definitely time for a retracement. And honestly, guys, my personal retracement level is going to be this level. That won't happen overnight, but it will certainly take a little bit of time, but it will be worth your while. And that will essentially give us a 350% gain on buying this token now. Okay, that is mad, 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 mad awesome. Okay, so the previous high was saying that it was here. So I'm not sure why that's the high over here, because the previous all-time high was saying it was 1.3. Sorry, 1.3. So 1.3 is here. Okay, that's where the previous all-time high was. So maybe this chart isn't the most up-to-date chart, but yeah, so 1.3 is the level. So let's just put a little horizontal line for you at 1.3, and if we go and have a look at 1.3, that was the level. So from the bottom of the level, if we just had to hit the previous all-time high and we had to measure that out, that is a 2,000% gain. Whew! Okay. Wow. I'm actually blown away, okay, guys, because this coin, if it hits that level and we see that it gets back up to that $4.3 billion market cap, okay, that's pretty simple, especially with knowing that digital assets are going to be valued at a lot more than that, okay? And this ecosystem, even though it's only all the way down at 196, it still has some good energy to try and keep itself up. Please be aware that Ecomi has recently migrated from the old contract. So go to chain, click this little link here, and you'll see that the ERC20 contract is there. Get the new contract if you want to buy this. I'm not telling you to buy it, but I'm just sharing with you what I'm looking at in the charts. For me personally, guys, I actually would buy a little bit of this at this point, because I am seeing this. If you had to put in $10, you get 16,310 coins. If you had to put in $100, you get 163,000 coins. If you put in $1,000, you get 1.63 million coins. Now, that is amazing. Okay. Now, do you guys believe that this could actually hit maybe even a 10-cent price? Let's try a 10-cent price. What would that look like for us right now? So if we have to say 0.1 divided by, copy, boom, paste, nope, 0.123, 613. Wow, a 10-cent price would give us 163x on this coin. Okay, 163x times the current market cap sitting at 170 million would give us a $27.7 billion market cap. Could it reach that? That's just about 6x from the previous all-time high. Could it do that? I reckon it probably could do that. Now, guys, for me, I would say a decent point on this market cap would probably be around the $50 billion market cap, okay, which essentially would then say to us divide that by 170 million, that would give us a 294x on this coin's price, which would basically take us probably to about 20 cents. So times 0.00613 gives us a 18-cent coin. Do you think that's possible? That's pretty possible here. I do believe so. So guys, if you think Ecomi can hit a $50 billion market cap, put 50 in the comment down below. I want to see. Okay, so thanks for watching. I really do appreciate that. And if we had to do that, just as a very simple example, that would be from where we are right now, okay, all the way up to 18. So we said 18, okay, make it right, 18. That's a 33,000% gain. Wow, mad, guys. Okay. Do you think you could do that if it's already done an 18,000% gain? That's like twice. Like, it's very simple. So, guys, great coin. Definitely awesome. I'm not sponsored by this coin. I'm not sponsored by anyone on this channel. I do these to analyze the markets, build TA for you as my community and Crypto Bliss community. So please make sure to hit that subscription bell on the channel. I love you all. Take care and have a beautiful day ahead.